was your experience today at Miracle Motor?
It was amazing at the Wilkes-Barre location. My girl Jennifer really got me right. This 2017 all-day launch.
How was your experience today at Miracle Motor?
My experience here was awesome. I had Jennifer Jimenez helping me get my brand new car. I recommend her to get a new car. I would come to Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre.
Come see Eric in Miracle Motors. He'll get you approved no matter what. It's in Wilkes-Barre. Come.
Hi, I'm Adriana, and I just got a new car at Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre, and my salesperson was Jennifer, who was very great. So come get your car now.
Okay, Marquise, how was your experience today?
My experience was good today here at Miracle Motors. I got me a car, nice help from Jennifer, sales rep, and I get to leave today on my new ride.
All right. How was your experience today at Miracle Motor at the Wilkes-Barre location?
It was great.
And who was your salesperson?
Jennifer.
And will you recommend a friend?
Yes, totally.
Hey everyone, I recommend all of you guys to come down to Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre, especially come and see Jennifer. Amazing woman. She helps you to the max and you will definitely come out of here with a car.
She's the best.
So look forward to coming here and enjoy. She is a blessing. Thank you, love.
Hi, how you doing? My name is Junior. Just came to Miracle Motors. Just seen Jennifer, one of the best representatives of cars I've ever seen. Just bought me this brand new car.
That's
Very
nice.
beautiful. So anytime you want to use a car, come down to Miracle Motors. It's out in Wilkes-Barre. Don't go anywhere else. Wilkes-Barre.
Hi, my name is David. I'm here at Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. Speaking with my friend Jennifer here. She just sold me a 2010 Chevy Impala. I really love the service here. She, as soon as we walked in, she greeted us with a smile and made sure that we were comfortable. We didn't feel pressured at all. Come on down to Miracle Motors here in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania.
Thank you, Eric. Miracle Motor.
All right.
Hi, my name is Tiki. I just bought a car here at Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre. Jennifer was my agent. She was super nice and made this a very pleasant and quick process. I just want to thank Miracle Motors. Thank you so much.
Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Leonel Gutiérrez, estoy aquí en Miracle Motors y mi querida compañera Jennifer me ayudó a comprar el carro correcto que estamos buscando. Fue excelente ella, bien humilde y me dio todas las cualidades que yo quería para el vehículo. Y hoy tengo un día fantástico y feliz. Estoy feliz con mi nuevo carro.
Thank you, Eric at Miracle Motors. You let me leave with a new car today, my very first one. So exciting.
All right. Congratulations.
Thank you.